Everyone says that you should announce your goals, it will make you accountable. So let's see what actually research tells us about it. So in an experiment, in actually 4 experiments, the students with real career goals, they were asked to write down their career goal, write down the intention, the task that they want to achieve on a piece of paper and hand it over to the experimenter. So in one of the groups, the experimenter, the observer actually read that their career goals in front of them. In another group, they did not read it, they just put it in an anonymous box. And then the students were tracked for the time period that they mentioned in the career goal. They wanted to see that how many of them actually made efforts to achieve those goals. And here are the results. The students for whom the researchers read their career goals, whom they read out in front of them, they actually worked lesser as compared to those students where the goals were not read out in front of them. This means that if your goals get noticed, you tend to work less harder to achieve those goals. And this is especially true when you are highly committed, when you are strongly committed to achieve your goals. So why it happens? The mechanism is very simple. So when you tell your goals to someone, you feel that you have already become the person that you want to become. So this is true for only identity related goals, not the goals that are related to task. Like suppose that you say that I want to run 5 kilometers this weekend. So that is still achievable even if you announce it to someone. But if you say that I want to become a runner, so this becomes an identity goal. This is what you want to become. So there is a gap between what you are today and what you want to become. And that gap actually drives you to make efforts to become that person. So if you announce your identity goals to someone, that gap narrows. And then you tend to make lesser efforts to achieve that goal. So now to answer your question, should you be announcing your goals to someone? If it is identity related goals, the recommendation is that you should refrain from telling it to anyone. You should keep that drive alive to achieve that goal, to become the person that you want to become. For more such research related answers to your life, follow me.